Faraday Future have been teasing their vision of an all-electric car for the past 2 years, with the 01 electric supercar concept at CES in 2016, and last year with the announcement of their first production car, the all-electric luxury SUV FF91. At CES 2018, the startup is ready to show the car off in an almost complete setup, and I got the chance to get an exclusive passenger ride in what should very closely resemble the car that Faraday Future claims will be sitting on customers' driveways as early as the end of this year. The FF91 Faraday Future have brought to the show is in a finish called Stealth Combat, and it certainly strikes an imposing stance. If this finish is offered at launch, it will make it one of the coolest looking cars out on the road. But to compete with Tesla, the performance is going to have to be impressive. A claimed 0 to 60 time of 2.39 seconds would make this the fastest accelerating SUV in the world. Not only would it beat a Tesla Model X off the line, it would come pretty close to the ludicrous acceleration of a P100D Tesla Model S. And now it was my chance to see if it could indeed do that and what it would feel like.
Do you want to have a little experience of what it can do?
I mean, that's kind of
tight.
Yeah, I think so.
Good. Let's have a go.
Sweet Jesus. Oh, damn, Robin.
Oh, I warned you.
Yeah, that is pretty immediate. That is very, very aggressive.
The acceleration is absolutely remarkable, especially in a car of this size. The final car will have drive modes to make regular driving less aggressive, and with 1,050 horsepower available, that will be an absolute necessity.
How long will it likely be, do you think, before we can actually see these on people's drives? I know there's been a lot of interest, a lot of orders placed, a lot of reservations, but how much more needs to be done before we can actually start to see this?
So we're working flat out at the moment to try and get a car in some customers' hands by the end of the year. So
end of 2018.
End of 2018.
So there's 64,000 reservations, like close. They'll start to be being fulfilled by the end of. Not completely fulfilled, but
fulfilled. We want to get one car into customers' hand by the end of the year. That's in itself is a very aggressive milestone. It's going to take a lot of work.
It was an extremely brief experience, but enough to put the worries that this might have been yet another example of EV vaporware at bay for now. We're yet to see the final design of the interior or see any of the intended autonomous driving features in action, but for now at least the FF91 has left me with a smile on my face and the need to change my underwear.